Let's talk about vinegar, a pantry staple. You probably have a bottle or two sitting in your kitchen right now. It's a versatile ingredient used in cooking, cleaning, and even some home remedies. But did you know that this common household item can also be a game changer in your garden? Yes, that's right. Vinegar holds secrets to a thriving garden that many gardeners are just beginning to discover. Imagine using something so simple and inexpensive to boost the health and vitality of your plants. It's almost like having a secret weapon in your gardening toolkit. And no, this isn't about making a delicious salad dressing. While vinegar is fantastic in the kitchen, its benefits extend far beyond culinary uses. We're talking about using vinegar in ways you might never have considered before. Let's unlock the potential of this humble ingredient together. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, vinegar can be a valuable addition to your gardening routine. So grab that bottle from your pantry and let's get started on a journey to a healthier, more vibrant garden. Vinegar, a natural byproduct of fermentation, which is a metabolic process where organisms convert carbohydrates like starch or sugar into alcohol or acid. This occurs without oxygen and is used by microorganisms such as yeast, bacteria, and certain cells to generate energy. Its acidic nature, primarily due to acetic acid, is what makes it so potent. But this same acidity can be harnessed for the benefit of your garden. You may be surprised at the ways vinegar can transform your gardening game. Vinegar has been a household hero for centuries. From acting as a natural herbicide, fight fungal diseases, balance the pH levels in your soil, and even help with pest control, vinegar can be a gardener's best friend. Every gardener faces challenges: pests munching on your prized roses, stubborn weeds choking out your vegetables, soil that just doesn't seem to cooperate. These issues can be frustrating and disheartening, but don't despair. Before you reach for harsh chemicals, consider vinegar. This natural alternative can address many common garden problems effectively and safely. Vinegar to the rescue and practical applications. Vinegar's versatility shines in its various applications. This common household item is perfect for sending those pesky ants and aphids running the other direction. Create a diluted vinegar solution to deter pesky pests. These tiny invaders can wreak havoc on your plants, but a simple vinegar solution can help keep them at bay. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water in a spray bottle and apply it to the affected areas. Its pungent smell disrupts their trails and keeps them at bay. Ants and aphids rely on scent trails to navigate and communicate, and the strong odor of vinegar can confuse and repel them, making it an effective natural deterrent. Vinegar can also combat fungal diseases like powdery mildew. Powdery mildew is a common fungal disease that affects many plants, leaving a white, powdery residue on leaves and stems. A diluted vinegar solution can help to control and prevent this disease. For weed control, apply vinegar directly to unwanted plants, targeting their roots. Weeds can be a persistent problem in any garden, but vinegar offers a natural and effective solution. By applying vinegar directly to the weeds, you can kill them without the need for harsh chemicals. Remember, vinegar is potent, so always dilute it properly and avoid contact with any plants you want to keep. While vinegar can be a powerful tool in your gardening arsenal, it's important to use it carefully. Undiluted vinegar can damage or kill your plants, so always make sure to dilute it properly and apply it only to the areas that need treatment. With these practical applications, vinegar can become an invaluable ally in maintaining a healthy and thriving garden. Before widespread use, try vinegar on a small section of your garden to assess its impact. The pH Balancing Act, vinegar's secret weapon. One of vinegar's most remarkable benefits lies in its ability to influence soil pH. This is particularly important for gardeners who are striving to create the perfect environment for their plants. Soil pH can greatly affect the availability of nutrients to plants, and maintaining the right balance is crucial for optimal growth. Many plants thrive in slightly acidic soil, which allows them to absorb essential nutrients more efficiently. Plants such as azaleas, rhododendrons, and blueberries are just a few examples of species that prefer a slightly acidic environment. When the soil pH is too high or too low, these plants can struggle to take up the nutrients they need, leading to poor growth and health. However, factors like hard water can disrupt this balance. Hard water contains high levels of calcium and magnesium, which can raise the pH of the soil, making it more alkaline. This can be particularly problematic in areas where the water supply is naturally hard, as it can lead to a gradual increase in soil pH over time. Vinegar can help restore the ideal pH level. By using vinegar, gardeners have a natural and cost-effective way to adjust the pH of their soil. Vinegar is acidic, and when used correctly, it can help to lower the pH of alkaline soil, bringing it back into the optimal range for plant growth. By carefully adding a diluted vinegar solution to your watering routine, you can gradually lower the pH of your soil. It's important to dilute the vinegar properly to avoid damaging your plants. A common recommendation is to mix 1 cup of vinegar with a gallon of water. This solution can then be used to water your plants, helping to create a more acidic environment. Regularly testing your soil's pH and adjusting your vinegar solution as needed can help maintain the right balance. This process can be particularly beneficial in gardens where the soil has become too alkaline due to the use of hard water or other factors. Making nutrients more accessible to your plants is one of the key benefits of using vinegar in your garden. When the soil pH is in the optimal range, plants can more easily absorb essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. This can lead to healthier, more vigorous growth and better overall plant health. This simple step can significantly impact their health and growth. By incorporating vinegar into your gardening routine, you can create a more favorable environment for your plants, leading to a more beautiful and productive garden. Whether you're growing flowers, vegetables, or shrubs, maintaining the right soil pH is crucial for success. Vinegar, the gardener's versatile ally. From repelling unwanted visitors to nurturing your plants from the roots up, vinegar proves to be an invaluable tool for any gardener. Its effectiveness, affordability, and ease of use make it a must-have in your gardening arsenal. Embrace the power of natural solutions and experience the magic of vinegar in your garden. You'll be amazed by the results. Embrace the vinegar advantage. Ready to unlock the full potential of your garden with vinegar? Start experimenting today and witness the transformation firsthand. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let me know if you've tried using vinegar in your garden, and if so, has it improved your soil or helped to keep those pesky pests away? For more gardening tips and tricks, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and most importantly, share it with your fellow garden enthusiasts. Happy gardening!